So we're going to take this plain heart that's a mark and fold, and we're going to do some Fore-Edge to add some color on top. So normally Fore-Edge gives you an image. This is just going to be a splash of color. You can do this with washi tape. You can do this with magazines. So today I'm going to show you how to do it with a magazine. So the first step is go ahead and cut up some magazine pages. I just went ahead and used a paper cutter, and I just chose magazine pictures that I thought were super colorful. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and fold each one in half. Now you can use your finger. You could use a bone folder to help you get that nice and smooth. So depending on the number of pages in your design will depend on how many of these you need to create. So I've made a pile of them right here. So let me show you how to get started with this. Now you could do this with glue like this, double-sided tape, lots of different methods. Today I'm going to use the glue stick. So I'm just going to use something plain underneath so I don't get glue all over the place. And what we're going to do is go ahead and add the glue. And I'm going to go to my first page. Right here. And I'm going to decide what part of this I want to use. I really like this blue right here. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around the page like so. Make sure you're all the way in. Then you're going to take scissors and then just go ahead and cut the extra off. So as you can see, it gives you that splash of color right there. And I'm going to use the same one just because these are so small in the beginning. Again, I'm going to go ahead and put this right there. I'm going to show you what it would look like right there, and then just it's folded over. Now you could add them all at one time and then cut off the extra. That's totally up to you how you want to do that. But you're just going to go ahead and wrap all of them. I'll show you one more. I think I'm going to add a splash of a different color now. So I'm going to go ahead and add my glue. Put it right at that edge. That's why this is called Fore-Edge folding. And fold it right around it like so. And then cut off the extra. And I'm just going to go throughout the whole book with that technique. So as you can see, I finished the heart. I love how it came out with all the different colors of the magazines coming together to make this beautiful design. It just gives a little bit more interest to the heart. Happy folding.